Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Motonation Pursang 3/4 waterproof textile jacket. What is this Motonation Apparel? I've never heard of this before. They're not new to the industry. Motonation has been distributing quality motorcycle-centric products in this industry for literally decades. Since I founded STG in 2006, I would rate them as one of the most reputable distributors I've dealt with. Always appreciated my dealings with Motonation and all the things we've done together over the years. They decided to take everything they learned through Motonation and what they learned in the decades previous in their own personal riding and use that to bring to market an affordable, quality, fully functional set of riding gear that is just meant for the everyday rider that wants a great product at a great price that has very minimal badging on it. You'll note every one of their products has one logo, and it's very subtle. You really have to have it pointed out to even notice it. And there's some folks, they don't want to be a billboard, man. They just want a great deal on something, get right to the point and get it done. This is meant for you. The Pursang retails for $179 as of the filming of this video, and that's a fantastic price. When I break down the features, bennies, and quality, you'll agree with me, I'm sure. Let's talk sizing real quick. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 205 pounds, 33-inch waist. I have on a size large right now. This coat features a fully removable windproof, waterproof liner, as well as a fully quilted insulating liner. It's kind of warm in here right now, to be honest with you. That takes up a little bit of volume. They have volume adjusters all over this jacket to help manage the fit when you are taking liners out and putting liners back in, so you can still maintain the same feel and fit that you did when you had it all stacked up inside. Ventilation, that's another area they really hit a home run with this coat. They use direct-to-skin ventilation, which is bar none the most effective. So when you get those nice riding days where you need that airflow, they have enough vents in this coat that it can cool almost anyone off. It's not going to quite be a mesh jacket, but it's going to flow air at a very high level. Before I show you the vents, a couple other quick features. CE certified armor, elbows, forearms, and shoulders. Heavy D fabric is used in the impact zones to help manage abrasion if you happen to fall off the bike while you're wearing the coat. Reflectives are found all around the coat, strategically placed so that the jacket pops at night. It's good and visible. Notice I'm wearing gloves. When you're riding the bike, it's often that you need to adjust the vents while you're actually riding. So what they did is they put these sweet zipper pulls on all of their YKK zips. Yes, the best zips in the industry are in this affordable apparel. And if you look here, so I opened that one that's in the forearm, right? That's a mesh panel behind there, direct to skin. Move this forearm adjuster, it opens that vent right up. Can open up the one here in the bicep, take the bicep adjuster, reposition it, do the same thing, and you're able to actually use this coat while you have your gloves on. And this just keeps going, right? There are literally vents all over this thing. Exhaust vents are on the back of the jacket. We'll show you those in the second part of the video. Hand warmer pockets for this coat are actually just slip pockets. There is no zip here, so let's say, it's just a cooler morning and you're out for a ride with you want to just get your hands in there and warm up. Notice I've got the gloves on. I can get them in the pockets right now and get in there and warm up a little bit. They're also fleece lined on the backside, so if you have your gloves off, it's going to feel good against your hands. Waterproof performance, tons of storage. We'll feature that in the second part of this video. Volume adjuster here at the waist. It uses a double zip, so when you're sitting on the bike, if you need it to open up a little bit at the bottom, you can open up that second part of that zip so it just kind of drapes around you and it's not pushing the jacket up, riding up when you're sitting on the bike. Okay? Tons of features, tons of benefits, great price. We're going to be able to really show this a lot closer in the second part of the video, so stay tuned. I'll take it off, pull it all apart, and give you a close look. Okay, let's go inside out the Motonation Pursang waterproof textile jacket. It has a waterproof, windproof liner, right? Reissa This is quality stuff. You can see that what they've done here too, there's a mesh liner that is inside of the waterproof breathable part, so it just makes it feel more comfortable against your skin. Comfort fabric, it's rolled here, padded at the collar, multiple attachment points at the sleeves as well as the body. Super lightweight, very high quality. 75-gram thermal liner. Storage pocket built in, Velcro closure right side, that's expandable. Tons of attachment points, zipper, so when it's all in the jacket, it doesn't just migrate around and bunch up. The armor in the coat, we have soft shell CE certified armor in the shoulder, as well as the elbow and forearm. It comes with a foam back pad. There's no certification here. It does offer a measure of protection. If you want to upgrade that to a CE certified piece, we do have things from Force Field on the site, inserts that'll fit in there. Not too expensive. There's a couple options to choose from if you want more protection. The jacket itself, we have all heavy D fabric externally, reflective stripe across the back. Here is the logo on the coat, and this is really important to some people. That's it. That's all there is. Super subtle, and it's just embroidered on. This really speaks to those people that don't want to be a billboard for some of the brands out there. Exhaust vents here, the back of the coat. Notice the zipper pulls. This is important to people that wear coats like this. They design them so you're able to grab them with your gloves on. You don't have to take your gloves off to operate your coat, so that's forward thinking from Motonation. Finished with a little bit of mesh right there, and this is direct to skin ventilation. Tons of intake on the back, on the front, with the exhaust here on the back. We have a large waterproof storage pocket here, expandable back of the coat, volume adjustment, 3/4 length, so this is mid-waist, textile Velcro, sleeve of the coat. We're using a heavier D fabric in the elbow forearm as well as the shoulder. Those are the impact zones. Screen printed reflective there on the sleeve. Visibility is certainly important. The sleeve of the coat itself, entry and exit. Got a zipper here, YKK, with a nice zipper pull, fabric and Velcro to tidy it all up and adjust it. Notice it's finished in mesh. You pull that all the way down, secure this, and if you want some ventilation down here in the lower end of the sleeve, you can open the zip part way. It's two-way zip, and that is going to help to drive air into the forearm of the coat. You can even then use this arm adjuster to pull a little harder on it, pull it open when it's filled with your arm, drive more air into the jacket. Up here in the bicep area, same principle. YKK zip finished. Take the arm adjuster, pull it open. That's a great way to bring air into a coat. Your hands are out on the bars, air drives in, circulates around, grabs the heat, moisture, gets it out the back of the coat. Jacket like this, storage is important. We have upper level storage here, both sides. I wouldn't, that's not waterproof, maybe water resistant. Nice Velcro TPR pull. We do have waterproof storage down here. Lower, a little expandable. Slip hand warmer style stored. And these pockets are nice. These are just meant to warm your hand. And look at, they also lined them in like a little fleece. So you slide your hand in there. You need to warm them up. It's a chillier ride. There's no zippers on those. Those are only intended just for comfort when you're off the bike. Give you a good look at the front of the coat here. Intake vent up here. Intake vent right here. All those large zipper pulls make it easy to use when you've got your gloves on. Front of the coat, we have some metal snaps. There is a gutter system to maintain waterproof seal here. You can clearly see that. Large YKK two-way zip, so if you need the jacket to open up a little bit at the bottom, when you have it zipped up, you're able to zip this one up a little bit. It'll allow it to canopy open, so when you're sitting on the bike, it's not pushing it up. So once again, they really thought use of the jacket through all the way. It's warmer out. You don't want the collar touching your neck. There is a little clasp here to hold that. Get inside the coat. Zippered storage here at the left breast. Waterproof pocket. Velcro closure storage. Left side, large pocket. Over here on the right side, we have an expandable pocket. Great place for a smartphone, something like that. Velcro closure at the top. You want to zip this to the matching pants. There is an 8-inch attachment system, so these fit with the Motonation pants. Back protector pad goes here. Comfort lining here around the collar. Rolled neoprene. What do I think? once again, it is subtle styling, which some people, that's what they want. It is super affordable. The retail on this thing, as of the time we shot this video, is about $170. Okay, for everything you're getting here, the quality of it, when you see how tidy the stitching and stuff is, you're gonna be surprised. And when you ride in it, I think it's gonna become apparent right away that the people that developed this, they actually rode a motorcycle while wearing this coat to make it more functional for you when you're on the bike. I'm Brian Van. This is 3/4 length, waterproof, insulated from Motonation.